अजय कुमार सर, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका सीएनबीसी बाजार पर। और सबसे पहले तो गुड आफ्टरनून कहना चाहेंगे आपको। और चर्चा की शुरुआत वहीं से करेंगे कि जो ये आपने नया एक अधिग्रहण किया है, तो कितना हमने अक्वायर किया है एसआरजे सीबीसीसी कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में इंदौर में जो है वो, और क्या डिटेल्स रहेंगे ये जो आपने एक्विजिशन किया है, उसके साथ हम चर्चा की शुरुआत करें सर।
Yeah, we have, as we know, HCG is all over India, but we have not been there in the mid part of India. And it was very important for us to establish a center in Middle India. That is why Madhya Pradesh was important. And we got a good group of people who were interested in giving us the full acquisition. A doctor and a CBCC group. And together, we have now acquired 100% of this hospital, and it is a 70-bedded, full-fledged oncology cancer hospital. And right now, we have paid about 44 crores for this acquisition, and that is where we are at this time.
तो सर, ये जो नया अधिग्रहण हमने किया है, किस प्रकार के फाइनेंशियल्स के साथ ये हॉस्पिटल जो है वो ऑपरेट कर रही है? क्योंकि हमने देखा था ऑलमोस्ट 50 बेड्स के अराउंड की ऑक्यूपेंसी है। किस प्रकार के मार्जिन्स या प्रॉफिट को लेकर अगर डिटेल्स हमें बता पाएँ तो सर।
70 beds, and it has a occupancy is about over 50 beds. It has got an opportunity for growth. And the other important thing is with the partner with whom we bought this, he's also building a new facility. And there is going to be agreement is there is going to be an oncology expanded facility there, for which we are also going to be the owners of that also. That will happen in about 2 years or so. And regarding the present hospital, it has got good numbers. It has got a revenue somewhere around 40-45 crores, and it has got a good positive EBITDA. And we are hoping that this will increase with our involvement. And also we expect because HCG is very well known, and we expect our overall occupancy to increase, and also our technology we are going to bring in future that will also make it a really a robust, full-fledged, high-quality cancer center in this region.
ठीक है सर, लेकिन इस जो फैसिलिटी है उसको हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि इसको 100 बेड्स प्लस में एक्सपैंड करें, और साथ ही साथ कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट फैसिलिटी वगैरह जो है वो भी यहाँ पे रहेगी। तो किस प्रकार के कॉस्ट यहाँ पर रहेंगे, और कैसे ये पूरा जो डील आपने किया है वो फंड आप कर रहे हैं, ये अब हमें बताइए सर।
I think at this point, the money we have spent for the acquisition is all internal accrual, with some impact, like 25-30 crores impact on the on our increasing our debt. But we have a sufficient line of debt to do that. But we are not looking at really borrowing anymore. We have internally accrued money for that. And in terms of expansion, when it happens, no, as you know, we have a good model called pay-for-use model. With that model, we really don't have to spend significant amount of capex. So with this, we are not expecting to really spend significant amount of capex in the next 2 years at least.
ठीक है सर, तो ये जो इंदौर की फैसिलिटी जिसे हमने ख़रीदा है उसमें किस प्रकार का पोटेंशियल आप देख रहे हैं, पहली बात। और दूसरा, इसमें किस प्रकार के कम्पिटिटिव डायनामिक्स की अगर हम बात करें, या फिर पोटेंशियल जो एरिया का ये जो पर्टिकुलरली जहाँ पर ये फैसिलिटी है वहाँ पर किस प्रकार का पोटेंशियल है, इसकी अगर आप हमें बात कर सकें तो।
See, the way we look at it is we are a dedicated oncology center. There are not many dedicated oncology center in Madhya Pradesh. There are few hospitals, trust hospitals, but as a national chain corporate hospital, there are not that many. So we believe we are in a very great advantage because a dedicated cancer center is always a high quality, provides good outcome, and also the growth is very good. We expect to grow 15 to 18% annually in this region, which is, I think, achievable. So we will be a dominant player in Madhya Pradesh with this acquisition and the future expansion we are planning. And this will set the stage for even creating, for example, peripheral centers around Indore. Indore is a medical hub, as we know. We want to really create multiple centers. We are also looking in future at Bhopal and other centers and create multiple daycare centers also in and around Indore so that the patients get the best of the benefit. Entire HCG philosophy is very patient centric, and this is what we can achieve by bringing this high quality center to Madhya Pradesh.
साथ ही साथ सर आप हमें ये भी समझाइए कि ये जो टियर 2 या माइक्रो मार्केट्स होते हैं वहाँ पे किस प्रकार का पोटेंशियल आप देखने की कोशिश करते हैं, पर्टिकुलरली जो कैंसर केयर होता है, क्योंकि ये एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जगह है, ये हमें थोड़ा सा समझाइए।
Yeah. See, in the past, tier 2 cities did not have high quality centers. So, what happened was, as we know, years ago, people always went to Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, like that too. And cancer care, unfortunately, is a long term care. And so the dropout rates were very high. And people would come for a short time and drop out because the distance, finances, all of that extra burden. Because when people go, they don't go by themselves, they go with large family. So this, by putting a center in Indore, what we have achieved is make it accessible and affordable. And with this high quality cancer center is near their home. And our goal in HCG is with 25 centers we have across the country is to make sure patient gets up in the morning, goes and takes the treatment and goes to their own bed to sleep in that. That is what the goal is. And with that, we find there is a better outcome also for the cancer patients because they are living with their own family. And this is what we are out to achieve as HCG group of hospitals.
ठीक है सर, लेकिन सर ये जो एक्विजिशन हमने किया है उससे कंपनी की एंट्री जो है वो एमपी में हुई है और ये 10th स्टेट है जो हमारे एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स है उस हिसाब से। सो बाकी का FY24 में क्या फोकस है आपका, ये भी अगर हमें आप बता सकें तो सर।
In the last few years post-COVID, we went into a period of consolidation. We wanted to make sure we consolidate. Now, we are opening up for mergers, acquisitions, and we are looking at studying where all we can do. We are looking at few areas, not only in parts of South India, Mid India, but also in Northeast, North India. And as and when we do it, of course, we will announce these things. But we believe strongly that some greenfield but some brownfield acquisitions are very important for the growth of HCG.
ओके सर, जो एक्टिव एक्विजिशन अभी भी हैं ऑन द कार्ड्स या फिर ऐसा कह सके कि इन सबको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए कैश ऑन बुक्स कितना है, फंड रेजिंग अगर आप कोई आने वाले वक्त में करने वाले हैं कि नहीं ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक ग्रोथ के लिए, ये अब हमें बताइए सर।
No, we are selectively, we are in acquisition because we are in a very strong cash position now. And we generate significant cash because with the positive EBITDA we have. With that, we want to utilize that money for further growth. And either it will be bringing high technology to our existing centers, or we are looking at M&A activities. As I said, high technology we are able to do very well with some of the pay-for-use model. So now we are really going to spend most of our money in terms of a future expansion with M&A activities.
ठीक है सर, नेट डेट हमने देखा है कि थोड़ा सा बड़ा है आपका 216.7 करोड़ अराउंड हो चुका है, तो इसको कैसे कम करने की योजना फिर या आने वाले वक्त में जो फर्दर कैपेक्स के लिए आप लेने जा रहे हैं तो उसके लिए हमें बताइए।
Debt compared to our debt EBITDA, debt to EBITDA and all that, it is very acceptable. We are not very high. We in fact are at a low end. So with this, we have significant capacity for more debt, but we are not have any plans to take additional debt. We hope internally generated cash itself is enough for further merger acquisition.
ओके सो अगर यहाँ पे आगे कोई पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं उसके बारे में पूछना चाहूँगा। मुझे याद है पिछली बार भी आपने बताया था सीवीसी पार्टनर्स को लेकर, लेकिन फिर भी मैं कुछ समझना चाहूँगा कि उनकी तरफ से कोई और शेयर वगैरह के लिए रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह कुछ हो, आपकी तरफ से कोई इनपुट्स।
No, I really don't have any update. I'm pretty sure that when you talk to CVC, they will give you the update. And it is really they have come in at a very crucial time for us. They have really helped us. And as we know, any private equity would like to exit, but I don't really. I cannot comment on that. Best people will be for them to comment. Okay.
डेफिनेटली वी अंडरस्टैंड जैसे आपने समझाया उस स्थिति को, लेकिन मैं फिर भी जानना चाहता था कुछ हो तो। अब लास्ट सवाल मेरा रहेगा सर बिजनेस परफॉर्मेंस पे। करंटली हमने देखा है कि पिछली तिमाही में जो आपने नतीजे दिए थे, आरपॉप जो है एवरेज रेवेन्यू पर बेड ऑक्यूपाइड, उसके लिए आपने ग्रोथ दिखाया था, मार्जिन्स में हमने देखा था। अभी फिलहाल क्या स्थिति है, ये आखिरी सवाल रहेगा मेरा।
No, we are, in fact, our this quarter has been very good. And we are doing fairly good. And of course, in November, we'll do our announcements. And we do believe that we are in a good growth as per our expectation. And I think some of our, mature centers are doing good, but some of our new centers are beginning to really improve a lot. Like I'm talking about Mumbai, Calcutta are all improving. So hopefully we will see the new centers also become more like mature centers.